Alright, good morning. We're here. Me and the number one worker are replacing a fascia. We are up here. You can see it's starting to pull away from the house, the gutters. See, these nails are already not even in the rafter tails or fascia board. And so first we're going to remove this gutter, and then we will remove the fascia board. Alright, we have got the gutters taken down. Well, actually it's a gutter, one piece. And here's what we have. We got the flashing, taking down the flashing now, and you can see the rot, especially in this midsection where the gutter was hanging. Let me see if I can get a better view. And you can see how rotten that is. It wasn't holding any nails anymore. Let me see if I can take you down to this end. This side is not as bad, but it's still pretty bad. And this house was built in the 70s, I believe. Here's the end. Yeah, this is your fascia, that board that runs along there. We've got the fascia taken out, and there was some damage to the soffits as well. So now we're gonna have to replace those too. You can see right there. Where is the damage? Right there. And yeah, so far everything's going okay. There's a little bit of damage to the rafter tails. I can show you, for instance, right here. You can see it's a little bit swollen. But yeah, so far so good. I will keep you guys up to date. Alright, we have begun to put the fascia back on, as well as the soffit. I'll show you here where we got the rafter tails exposed versus where we're putting the soffit and the fascia back, and the soffit vents. And then we will put the cladding back on to cover this unfinished edge and the gutters. Alright, we got the fascia put up, and we're gonna go ahead and get the soffit vents, which is this siding here, right there, and put the aluminum cladding and put the gutters back, and that'll be it. And here's how the job site looks. We've got materials here and trash there, and a couple extra materials. You can see we've got it all coned off and keep the work site safe. All right, we are all done with the fascia board replacement. We've got the gutters on there, and as you can see, we've got them sloped high in the middle, and it gets low on the right. And yeah, it's a job well done. Thanks for watching.